Hello, welcome to Unconventional Couple. Congratulations! I'm making this video right now just to congratulate you guys. Wala akong pasok ngayon sa online class ko. Bukas pa. And gusto kong magpasalamat sa inyong lahat. And gusto ko kayong i-welcome sa DSWD and i-congratulate. Kasi pumasa kayo. And congratulations! Nandito tayo sa aking munting backyard, where nag-aalaga ako ng mga manok at saka kambing dito. Yan, kung narinig nyo guys, yan yung mga kambing ko dito. Yun lang, every sahod nagsisave lang ako ng money, tapos bumili ng mga manok, tapos kambing, 3 kambing. Ngayon naging 12 na sila, 12 na sila. So maliit na investment ko, parang pangtanggal ng stress. I'm doing farming. And yun, congratulations once again sa inyong lahat. Maraming nag-comment. Sir, pinapanood ko lang kayo dati. Now, nasa DSWD na ako, na-hire as Project Development Officer 2. Yung iba na as a Municipal Link ng 4Ps. Yung iba din na-hire as a Sustainable Livelihood Project, SLP. So, ang dami yung mga tanong dito. Hindi ko nasagot ha. Timing lang. Hindi tayo busy ngayon kasi wala tayong pasok. Sasagutin ko yan mamaya. And sasagutin ko, I wanna make sure na gagawa ko ng video guys. Congratulations once again. It's the start of your journey. This is it. And mahalin mo lang yung trabaho mo. I-enjoy mo lang siya everyday. Sometimes it's very tiring. Parang gusto mo nang mag-give up. May mga times na ganun, pero wag. Palagi lang ilagay sa isip na yung trabaho natin is to serve. We are serving the community. And whatever it is, we're here to serve the community. Nakakatulong tayo. So yun. Parang hindi siya trabaho eh. Parang it's a way of uplifting people's lives. So yun guys. Congratulations once again. Congratulations sa inyo. Kung isa kang social worker or psychology teacher, nursing ka, basta nagtatrabaho ka sa DSWD, you can follow this YouTube channel. I'm Ray once again, and welcome to Unconventional Couple. Bye-bye.